This is Torin Paige's Kaiser Bun. I gotta admit, I'm not honestly very fond of buns that tie knots in the hair because it just feels kind of icky to me, but this is a very knotted bun, and I still have some little loose curls from doing heatless curls last night. So, ponytail divided into two sections, then I'm gonna put right over left and down through, then left over right, pull through, right over left, pull through. Torin says that this alternating helps to keep the ends even. To concentrate and know which side I'm on. So keep on knotting all the way down. Then we have, oh, I should have probably pulled that tighter, but there's a hole at the top where the first knot is. I'm going to wrap around and then pull through that hole. And I think for this one, a fork is probably the best method of securing. And then it's supposed to look like a roll of Kaiser bread. How'd I do? I gotta take a picture to find out. Whoa, my fork is sticking way up in the top.